Hey everybody, it's Ron Henry's Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make French onion soup. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 6 brown onions, which is roughly around 1 kilo. So first thing we need to do is slice all these. So to do that we'll just go through the middle, and we just want to, not too thin and not too thick, slice them. Just like so. So we'll just continue that with all the onions. Alright guys, so moving on, just into a pot on a medium heat, we're going to start by adding in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add all the onions straight in. So all we're going to do now is cook our onions on a low to medium heat for around 45 minutes to an hour. So all we want to do is caramelize them. Now there's not much to do except stir it every, say, 5 or 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 45-minute mark now. As you can see, our onions have completely softened up. And they've got a very nice aroma to it as well. So what I'm going to do at this point is adding 50 grams of butter. I just want to stir that through. I'm also going to be adding in 2 crushed garlic cloves. Next we'll add in 2 tablespoons of brandy. Now that is optional. We'll sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of plain flour and 1 heaped tablespoon of brown sugar. And we just want to mix that very well. Next we'll add in half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to top this all up with 8 cups of beef stock. So we're going to increase our heat at this point. I'm also going to be adding in 3 bay leaves. And we just want to bring this up to the boil now. Alright guys, so once that reaches the boil, we'll turn the heat down to low to medium. And all we're going to do is let this simmer for around 15 minutes so it thickens up and all the flavours develop. In the meantime, we'll start to work on our cheese toast. So this part's pretty simple. I've just got 2 thick slices of bread here. We're just going to brush them with some olive oil. Now depending on how you want to bake these, if you want to oven bake them, set your oven to 180 degrees. In my case I'm just going to place them under the grill. And next we'll just sprinkle some cheese on. I'm just using mozzarella for this, specifically because I like the actual stretch it has. But you can use any cheese you like, cheddar, Gruyere, whatever you like. But on top of the mozzarella, I'm going to add some parmesan, just to lift it up. Beautiful. So we'll go ahead and put these in the oven. It should only take about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 15-minute mark now, and that's looking nice and thick. So first thing we're going to do is take out our bay leaves, because we don't need those. And let's go ahead and serve this. Alright, that looks stunning, am I right? Let's give it a finishing touch. So you can add some parsley on top if you like, but it's not really necessary, because that cheese toast really just stands out. And for the soup itself, we've got a very nice consistency. So you really have to try this. You probably think it's just onions in broth, but it's really not. That caramelization really makes a big difference. So guys, storage wise, you can put this back into the fridge and of course heat it up, but obviously do the toast when you need it. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.